Hey guys, and welcome to How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're going to show you how to blend two images using Canva. First of all, upload your images. After the images have been uploaded, simply click and drag it. Add another page. And again, click and drag. Let's go to the previous one. Now in Elements section, search for gradients. Choose the gradient like this. Now let's duplicate the gradient. Let's do the same for the photo below. Duplicate it again. Now that everything is done, just click on share and let's download it. Now let's upload the downloaded image. Again, go to uploads and upload the images. Let's scroll down, add a new page if necessary. I've already added one, and click and drag the images. Now I will decrease the transparency. After this is done, I'll again download it. And now I will upload the downloaded image once again. Let's add a new page. Then again, click and drag. Let's set this as our background. Now let's edit the photo. Go to Adjust. Well guys, this is how you blend two images using Canva. Hope you liked the video. For more informational videos like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Thank you.